Welcome to the Conference Bridges walkthrough. Conference Bridges let multiple callers join a shared audio room, perfect for team meetings, client calls, or recurring check-ins where everyone dials in to the same number. Unlike a regular phone call between two people, a conference bridge supports multiple simultaneous participants, all hearing and talking to each other. In this video, we'll cover the conference list, creating a new bridge, PIN security with leader and participant pins, capacity and recording settings, audio options like join and leave announcements and music on hold, and how participants actually dial in. Let's start by logging into the admin console. Navigate to PBX Management and click the Conferences tab under Call Routing. This is the conference list for Wicked Sprockets. Each row shows the conference name, the extension number callers dial to join, the maximum number of participants allowed, whether a PN is required, and the current status. We have 3 conferences here. Team Huddle on extension 800, which is PIN protected and limited to 10 participants. Weekly All Hands on extension 801, which has no participant PIN, so anyone on the system can dial in, but has an admin PIN for leader controls. And Customer Advisory Board on extension 802, with both a participant PIN and an admin PIN, supporting up to 50 participants. The Add Conference button in the top right creates a new bridge. Click Add Conference to create a new bridge. The settings card has the core fields. Tenant is pre-selected when filtering by tenant. Name is a descriptive label, like Team Huddle, Weekly Stand-Up, or Board Meeting. Number is the internal extension number that people dial to join the conference, just like dialing any other extension. Max participants sets the upper limit on how many callers can be in the bridge at the same time. The default is 10, but you can set it anywhere from 2 to 100, depending on the size of your meeting. When the bridge is full, additional callers hear a busy signal. The security card controls access to the bridge with 2 PIN fields. The PIN field, sometimes called the participant PIN, is what regular callers enter when they dial in. If you set a PIN here, every caller must enter it before they can join the conference. Leave it blank, and anyone who dials the extension number joins immediately. No authentication required. The admin PIN is the leader PIN. When a caller enters this PIN instead of the regular one, the system recognizes them as the conference leader. The leader PIN is important when you use the Wait for Leader option. We'll see that in the next card. You can have both pins set, just one, or neither. For internal team meetings, you might skip the participant PIN entirely and just set an admin PIN for the organizer. For sensitive meetings with external participants, set both. Participants get a 4-digit PIN, and the organizer gets a separate admin PIN. The options card has 4 toggles that control the conference behavior. Record Conference enables call recording for the entire bridge. Every participant's audio is captured and stored just like regular call recordings. This is useful for meeting minutes, compliance, or training. Announce Join and Leave plays an audible tone or custom sound whenever someone enters or exits the bridge, so participants know when the group changes. Music. When Alone plays Hold Music for the first person who joins the bridge while they wait for others to arrive, instead of sitting in silence, they hear the tenant's music on hold, and the disabled toggle lets you deactivate the bridge without deleting it. Disabled conferences can't be dialed and won't appear in routing destinations. The audio card lets you customize the sounds participants hear when joining and leaving the bridge. By default, the system plays standard asterisk tones, a beep when someone joins and a different beep when they leave. But you can replace these with custom audio files from your media files library. The Join Sound drop-down lets you pick a custom announcement, like a welcome message or branded greeting, that plays when each participant enters. The Leave Sound drop-down works the same way for departures. Both are optional. Leave them set to default to use the standard system tones. These audio hooks use the same media file system as IVR greetings, queue announcements, and hold music, so any audio file you've uploaded to the tenant's media library is available here. So how do participants actually use a conference bridge? It's simple. Any extension on the tenant dials the conference number, in this case 800 for Team Huddle. If a PIN is set, the system prompts the caller to enter it. They type the PIN on their keypad, and once verified, they join the audio room. If an admin PIN is configured, the leader enters that instead. The system identifies them as the bridge organizer. Conference bridges can also be used as routing destinations. You can point a DID, an IVR menu option, or a hunt group timeout at a conference. This means external callers can dial a phone number and join the bridge directly, which is perfect for customer advisory boards or vendor calls. The extension number makes it easy for internal transfers too. Any employee can transfer a caller directly into an active conference. That covers conference bridges in the admin console. Here's a quick recap. Conference bridges let multiple callers join a shared audio room by dialing an extension number. PINs control access. The participant PIN secures entry, and the admin PIN identifies the conference leader. Max participants sets the capacity, and the record toggle captures the entire session. Audio options include join and leave announcements, so participants know who's coming and going, and music on hold for the first caller while they wait. You can also assign custom audio from your media files library for branded join and leave sounds. Conferences work as routing destinations too. Point a DID, IVR, or hunt group at a conference to let external callers dial in directly. Check the documentation link below for the complete conference bridge reference.